How do you show that IKEA is more than just the Billy, the lack table, and the IKEA PS cabinet? How do you prove that the Swedish furniture store has so much to offer that you can tell something new about it every day? By showing a different commercial every day. This means an astonishing amount of 365 commercials a year.
Vandaag bij IKEA. Voor thuis met makkelijk verwisselbare bekleding. IKEA, elke dag is anders.
A new and different commercial every day. In which we show a new product, style, or improvement of the furniture store. The payoff says it all. IKEA. Every day different. To make this possible, we use a combination of smart media planning, advanced production techniques, and a lightning-fast creative process.
We nemen 15 commercials per dag op. Dat is natuurlijk heel erg veel. En om die kwaliteit ook te waarborgen, werken we eigenlijk in IKEA zelf. En met een vaste groep mensen. Dus dan lukt het net om in 1 dag eigenlijk 15 commercials op te nemen.
The daily commercial concept allows IKEA to smoothly adjust to the seasons, like summer and winter, to a sales period, and topical events like Christmas and New Year's Eve. And every day, the new TV spot is added to the website of IKEA. With over 250 different commercials sent out until now, top-of-mind awareness gained 6 percentage points, and 4% more consumers are said to have bought IKEA furniture this year. Great results in a market that shrunk 4% in the same period. And the campaign still continues. Even today, as you watch this case study film, there's a new commercial. That's not just a 360 campaign, that's a 365 campaign. IKEA, every day different.